Winds are real bad now. Look at that shit. Holy guacamole. Look at this shit, baby. Now we're talking 60-mile-an-hour winds. Oh man, those boats are gonna sink. Look at this shit. There's a bird right on that post. Look at these things rocking. Right there, that 40-foot sea ray. Oh my God. Woo! Coming to you live from Titusville Marina, Titusville, Florida. Feature 780. This is the place to be if you want to, thrill seekers. Bring your surfboards, your sailboards, your snorkels, your flippers. Bring your rubbers. It's coming down. It's been all over, and it's been all over you. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Get out there, get in it. Do what you gotta do. Bucket list. Run down that dock. Right there. That's the Swiss Bob. Holy shit. I'd say, I don't know, 50-mile-an-hour winds. Could be